Scaffolding. What is a scaffold to you? I think everyone's probably aware of scaffolding in the construction industry, and it's very, very similar in self-development and self-education. When you start to think about a scaffold being a temporary support structure that's in place until something can stand alone, stand on its own. And I'm very, very grateful this week for the scaffolding that I can identify and put into place to give me the opportunity to be supported as I grow up and into being able to stand on my own 2 feet, whether it's a book, whether it's a course, whether it's some sort of technological support that I need for a given point in time. There are things that are required in life to help you move forward. Now, you don't need the scaffold. In theory, see how that serves you when you go forward. See how quickly you can move forward. See how many times you're going to fall down if you don't have that temporary support structure. So thinking about it in terms of self-development tools, you might go to a lecture, you look on YouTube for content like this or similar. You follow people on LinkedIn that are giving you practical tips, guidance, and advice. Whatever that looks like for you, there are temporary support structures that everyone needs at any point if you're going to grow. And they will keep you right, and they will keep you stable, and they will keep you safe until it's time for that scaffold to be struck, for that scaffold to be dismantled. And then you're on your own, and then you can do what you were planning to do in and of the first place. I'm so grateful that I get to recognize that. I get to lean into that. I get to really intentionally say, I'm going to purchase this thing. I'm going to lean into this thing. I'm going to spend time doing this thing. Whatever that is, I love it. I get absolute benefit from it, and I hope you do too. And I hope you think about scaffolding a wee bit differently than just the typical construction example from this point forward. What are you thankful for this week?